Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about the Supplier Predefined Functional Interface. Okay, what is the uses of it and how to use it and what is the it is going to be deliver features of Supplier. Okay, so Supplier is a functional interface which does not take any input argument and it produces the results. So the result type can be any object like a collection object or custom object or wrapper classes, any object it is going to be written. Okay. So it has an interface supplier T. T can be any object as we discussed in the examples, right? I will show you how it is going to be used. Okay. So T can be any return type. We are having the get method. It is not going to take any input parameter. It simply returns the whatever the supplier is going to be provided. Supply is nothing but to provide something to the other objects. Okay, the supplier object can be used, as it is a functional interface, right? Single abstract method is there, so we can use this by using the lambda expressions as other functional interfaces. See, this is the only single abstract method which is having get, there is no input parameters for it. Okay, so let's go and see the example of it. See, I am taking the supplier of string. Okay, I am going to take the supplier of string which is going to be deliver the string object. String is the return type here. Okay, see, since it is having the get method, right? So get is not having any parameters, so it is a empty object. We need empty method we need to call here. Okay, so here it is returning, I am trying to return the concatenating the whatever the given string. Okay, I am giving the string like welcome to Java and concatenating with world. Okay, so let's see what it is going to be, how it is going to be called and what it is going to be written. Okay, so this is the supplier and it is going to be calling by using the get method. See, get is the abstract method, right? Whatever the given input we need to supply that object to another objects. See, this is the welcome to Java world. So this is how you need to create the supplier object. Suppose if you want, right, you can supply the custom objects or integer objects or any wrapper objects or list of objects. Those will see the examples. Okay, and again I am going to take in one more example here. Okay, list of array of numbers. This array of numbers I am going to take by using the random number calculator. Okay, random number calculation. See, it is having the 10 indexes. As you know, right, array is having the index positions 0 1 2 3. So such a way, whatever the number of array of, we are going to give the number random number, right, it is going to be deliver that. Okay, now to deliver the random number we are having the math.random by default Java provided random number. Okay, so here, right, the index of first one is 0 and the last one is 9, so 1 to 9. I am calculating that min is the 1, max is the 10. So that means, suppose if it is a maximum number of 1, right, 1 minus 1 plus minimum value 1. See, I am trying to calculate this some random number. It can be 0 also, it is going to become sometimes. So minimum max number is 1, minimum number is 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Such a way I wanted to calculate. Okay, suppose, right, I am going to execute this program. See, now the random numbers are getting based on the indexes, right, 43, 76, 76. See, 76 2 times came, so random numbers has been displayed. So now again I have calculated some number like it is delivering the 234 234 20. So again I am going to run, you can see the random numbers how we are going to pass the indexes. See, now 5 43 76, it is going to be deliver like this. Okay, suppose, right, we are calling this number of array based on the index number whatever we are providing. Okay, this is how we can supply the data to another objects. Okay, so it can be, I mean, the return is going to be integer or any object, right? Now we will see the another example by using the custom example, right? So I am defining the one employee class, id, name, gender, age. Okay, so here, right, I have taken the return, whatever the return object is there, right, that is the list of employee. So inside the supplier I am creating the object. Okay, this object is not required. See here I am creating the list of object and adding the list of objects, and I mean adding the employee objects to the list, and taking the whatever the we have defined here the supplier, right, I am getting that all the list of objects by using the supplier object. Okay, this is what I am trying to do here, to supply the list of objects or set of objects as per your requirements. So supplier method is having the, I mean supplier interface is having the single abstract method get, to get the objects which is going to use the other objects, right, to provide the output. So we can use the supplier object. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content of the video, right, please share and subscribe with your friends. Please subscribe the Programmer Guide YouTube channel for more videos.